All right, Jahiem. Fairly a nice game for you this evening. What are your thoughts on the game so far?
Well, it was a good game from us. We win 4-0 today.
Can I come a little closer? Hey, come on.
Well, I think it was a good game today. We win 4-0. I think we should have been more clinical in the first half and leading up to the second half. But I think it's a fair game.
And what do you expect from you for this season?
Well, my expectation is to score more goals, get some assists, and hopefully I try to get a contract overseas.
I see you get quite a few times. You're trying to get a shot on the left foot. Isn't that something I need to work on?
Yeah, I think it's something I need to work on. I need to go back to the training ground and try to get more sharper in terms of finishing to get my goal.
You think that maybe if you go on the next side probably and receiving those balls on the right foot, you have a stronger chance of scoring more goals?
Yeah, because it's my stronger side, I'm a stronger foot. I feel like if I go on that side, I get it better.
Yeah. So what do you think overall about your performance today?
Well, it's a good game from me, but as I tell you, I need to score goals and assists. But it's just one of those days, and every time rain falls. So next time, score some more goals.
All right, bless up here.
Yeah, thanks.